it's your girl, and today we're eating some black bean noodles, some eggs, and some Persian cucumbers. Y'all already know what it is. I'm so excited. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and yes, today we are eating some black bean noodles, and I'm so excited, you guys. So let's dig in. Okay, so obviously these don't look black bean noodle-ish. I got the sauce right here. So this is the Samyang brand. Y'all remember my homegirl 2X? It's still tingling my lip, my bottom lip. Ooh, it's still numb. Oh my god, it's tingling so bad. Yeah, this is her cousin Black Bean Noodle. So hopefully she don't hurt me as much as 2X did. So we just gonna have to see how she does today, y'all. So this is the sauce. Woo! She looked just as dark as the 2X did. Oh my god. I don't think this is gonna be as spicy though. I mean, I don't know, because I think all of them noodles are spicy, but I don't think this one is gonna be too bad. But you know, we're just gonna have to wait and see. Alright, you guys, so we got one more packet. So this is the fire sauce packet. They put a lot of sauce in this stuff. Like, they fill this sucker up. Okay, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, she dark. Okay, she doesn't smell as spicy as the 2X. Because I remember when I smelled that 2X, I was like dying just off of the smell. Because you could like instantly smell the fire and the spice. And that just like went down the wrong tunnel in my throat. And yeah, that was no good. Alright, you guys, let me go ahead and mix this up for ya. Ooh, yes. I'm so hungry, you guys. I built up an appetite today. Okay. I'm excited to try this. I am. Because I've never had black bean noodles before. And they look delicious. So far it smells really good, you guys. It kind of smells like oyster sauce a little bit. Yeah, it smells like oyster sauce. So I wonder if this has oyster sauce in it. That's what it smells like. But I wonder if it tastes like that, if it's as sweet as oyster sauce. Probably not. Because on the packaging, it had one lightning bolt on it. I saw one lightning bolt. The 2X had like 5. But this one had like one lightning bolt. And I mean, it does have the fire sauce in it. So I don't know what I'm getting myself into. We're gonna cry again today. If I'm gonna regret it. Man. I just went to the Asian store and I was walking through the noodles. And then, you know, I saw that 2X and I was like, huh. And then I saw this one and I was like, oh, I want to try her. But then I, for a second, forgot that it was the same brand. And it still has the fire sauce in it. So, but you know, I'm ready. This time I'm prepared. Like, if this is spicy, bring it on, girl. Like, let's go. Let's get it. I ain't scared of you. Yeah, right. I'm gonna get my butt handed to me. Ooh, yes. Look at this, y'all. Ah! Okay, thumbnail. I've never done that before. Alright, you guys. Ooh, let's get into it. And I'm so excited. I haven't like had eggs in a while, so I was just like, eggs sound really good with it, especially having like an over easy egg. And then I got a little crunch. We got some Persian cucumbers. Alright, y'all, let's try this. Okay, black bean noodles, here we come. Samyang brand. Ooh, oh dang, these are heavy. Holy moly, is it just me? Or is it just like my arm hurts from working out? But these noodles are like heavy, they thick. They're I'm literally struggling. Like, my arm is in so much pain today. Alright. Look at that. Mmm! Mmm! Ooh, that's good! Ooh. Making a mess already. Mmm. Mmm! Okay. Okay. Let's take another bite. Need a napkin. I feel like it's gonna get messy. Ooh, okay. Oh, I like that, you guys. So you can definitely taste the spice in it, even after the first bite, but it's not overwhelming yet. It's not overwhelming yet. So okay, but I can taste it though. I can taste it. My mouth is tingling, you know. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Yeah, it tastes like it tastes like oyster sauce, but like just like with some spice added to it, you know? Mmm. Mm. Got my turn. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that's good, y'all. Ooh. Let's get a little crunch Persian cucumber. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. This adds like a good freshness to it. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. Okay. Ooh. Let's dig in to this egg. Yes. Okay, come on, y'all. I don't want it to break. Okay, we got it. We got her. All right. Now she can break. The moment we've all been waiting for. Yes. Oh, she's not even dripping now. Come on, yeah. Girl, open up. There we go. Try it again. Yes. Ooh, yes. Get that yolk all over them noodles. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. Yes. All right. Yes. Mmm. 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 Oh my god. These noodles are heavy, or my arms are just so weak today. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Some egg. Mmm. Bless you. That was breathing. He sneezed. Ooh, this is really good with the yolk, y'all. With the egg, it gives it like a nice creaminess to it. Mmm. Oh my god, I think I just got all over my face. Ah! Oh my god. Why does it have to be messy? Why? And it's spicy too. Let's just hope that it doesn't get in my eye. Ooh, but this is good, y'all, with the egg. Mmm. Oh my god, I'm just a hot mess. What is going on? Mmm. Stay. Okay. Today is just not the day. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. This is really, really good. This is really good, y'all. And I'm actually like, I might be talking too soon again, but like, you know that first bite, you can taste the heat right away, but like, and like it's lingering, like it's still there with every bite, but I don't feel it like progressing. Like I don't feel it getting like hotter and hotter, you know, like when you usually eat spicy food, like the more you eat, like the more intense and hotter it gets. Like, I mean, she's spicy, I could taste it, but like it's not getting hotter like with every bite. You know, it's like actually pretty consistent, which I like so far. Oh, this is gonna be messy today. I feel it, you guys. And in the packet there was like some dried vegetables. Like here is like a pea. There was peas, and then there was like this like little brown thing. I'm not exactly sure what that was. And there was carrots. So there was like some dried up vegetables. Oh, this is good. Okay. I'm liking this so far, you guys. It's good. Cucumber for some freshness and different texture for a crunch. That's good, you guys. That's good. Ooh wee. Oh my god, my noodles are like, oh, my chopsticks, like the sauce is like all the way up to here. Oh my goodness. Ooh, yes. Alright, let's get another egg. Let's get this one. If I can take her out. Move. Okay, here we go. Yes. Alright, show me the gold. Yes. Y'all see that? Drip, drip. Girl, you got that yummy yum, that yummy yum. Alright, she ain't as drip drip as I would usually like, but it's all good. It's in there. The yolk is in there. So how y'all been? What y'all been up to? Happy dance, y'all. This might be a quiet video, you guys. I'm enjoying this so much. Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. Yes. Oh my gosh, so you know what? I gotta tell you guys something. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you guys experience this too. And it just like amazes me how like some creepy people can be, you know? Alright, one second. Okay, so excuse me. So when was it? The day before yesterday. Okay, so I was driving, right? I was driving, I was going to work, and I was at a stoplight. And you know, like when you're in your car, you know, just minding your own business, doing your own thing, and then like in your peripherals you can like kind of see what like the other cars like on the side of you are doing, you know what I'm saying? So like I was just like, so like I got to the stoplight, and then like on my right peripheral I can just like, you know how you can just like sense that someone is like looking at you, you know? like you can just like kind of see in the corner of your eye, but you also get like that feeling that someone is like looking at you. Yeah, I had that feeling. And usually like when I'm in my car and like that happens, I just like, you know, totally ignore them out and I don't even give them any of my attention, you know. I just like kind of like focus. But like I swear it happened like right when I got to like the stop light. Like I stopped and then like boom, you know, I could just like feel someone just like looking at me. And I'm telling you, like we were at the stoplight for like a good minute. You know, until I gave it and I finally looked over, you know. But I'm saying like that's like a good 60 seconds, like I don't even know how many like seconds that was. But isn't that like weird though, if someone's just like looking at you like that? So like okay, so yeah, it was like a good minute, and then like I turned to like look at like the car next to me that feels like looking at me, and it is like this, like, okay, he's maybe, I'm just like, I don't know, guesstimating, maybe like in his late 30s ish, you know, guy looking at me in his rear side mirror, you know, and he's looking at me like this, like with a smile, like so creepy. I'm just like, oh, you know. So like after like I saw him, I just like turned away, but like in my head I was also thinking like we've been at this stoplight for like a good 60 seconds, like a minute, you know, and it's still red, you know. So just imagine someone looking at you in your rear view, in their rear view mirror, just looking at you like like I don't even know how many seconds that was. But like also I was thinking like, doesn't his cheeks hurt like smiling like so hard, you know, and like waiting for someone to like look back at him and, you know, hoping that like he get that attention. And I mean, he got it because obviously I looked, but I like, you know, I was just like, ugh, creeped out. But like, just how weird is that? I don't know, it was like super creepy. And then so after I turned back away, you know, we're still at the stoplight for like another minute, you know what I'm saying? So now it's been 2 minutes and I still feel this guy like just like smiling in the mirror looking at me. I'm just like totally creeped out. So I drive, you know, and we're driving and I'm kind of like letting him be like in front of me. Yeah, I'm letting him be like in front of me. I'm kind of hanging back, you know, because I don't want to be driving like right next to him anymore. Like it was just so weird. And eventually, you know, he ended up turning, and we didn't really like cross paths where like we were like right next to each other anymore because there's other cars coming in and out. So yeah, that was just like totally weird though. Like it's so creepy. Someone just like looking at you like that, like, I don't know. And I'm pretty sure it's the same way if it was like a girl doing it to a guy, you know, like that's just creepy. Someone like just smiling and looking at you, like waiting for you. Ooh, y'all. Alright, we had to pause for that beautiful moment. But you know, like it's just weird, like for both sides, like ugh. For someone to just like really wait for your attention. And he got it. But like I was just like, dang, like usually like, you know, like when you look at someone, you maybe give them like a good like 5 seconds, you know, and then like if they don't look back, you move on with your life. But this guy, nah, he was like on a mission to get me to look. And now I feel horrible because I gave him, I shouldn't have. Because now he probably, you know, is at home like, I got that girl to look. So I guess he won. Darn it. So next time that happens to y'all,
Don't give in. Just don't. Or if you do want to give in, you know, and look at them, you can give them like a crazy look, you know. Look at them like, you know, I don't know, something crazy. But just look at them crazy, so they're freaked out. They probably look at you like, ah, oh my god, she's crazy. And they'll leave you alone. I gotta remember that for next time, for sure. Oh my god. This is so good, you guys. Like, I'm really enjoying this, actually. This is the bomb. Y'all should try it. Just a little messy though, but it's good. Ooh, my nose. Ooh. Got a little drip dip in the nose. Ooh, that was good. Alright. Last egg. Ooh, but it's a perfect amount for these noodles right here. That's a perfect amount. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. Last egg. I always like to like tap the yolk just to like play with it. I don't know. That's weird. Yeah. Oh no. Come on. No. Alright. Fail. It's all good. Oh my god. How the heck did you get all the way over here? Oh my god. I like felt that shoot all the way over there. So today I went to a very last minute audition. I literally just bit the chopsticks. Oh my god. So wish me luck, y'all. It's for a web series. So wish me luck, you guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys watch any web series and what you like. What web series do you like to watch? Show me something so I can watch it too. Almost done, y'all. Dang. Oh my goodness. Cucumber. But yeah, this audition, man, it was very last minute. I got the email from my agency at like, what time? At like 12. I want to say like 12-ish. And they wanted me to be there like around 3. So I was like, oh my gosh. So I had to like rush, get ready, print the sides. Sides are script. memorize my lines and drive all the way to LA. And I don't live in LA. I live about, it takes like 40 minutes. I'm outside of LA. Like 40 minutes outside of LA. But like that's 40 minutes without traffic. With traffic it's like an hour and a half. So like from my house I literally have to give myself at least like a 2-hour window. Yeah, you never know what's gonna happen. So you just like whenever you drive, you just have to be prepared for anything and just give yourself an extra hour just for for what can happen on the road, you know? So like 40 minutes for me to drive if it's not traffic. If it's traffic,
add, you know, another 30, 40 minutes, and then you gotta, you know, find your parking, and then, you know, which is gonna take like another 10, 15 minutes, and then you gotta park, and then you gotta find the building, and you don't know how close the building is from parking. Give yourself another 10 to 15 minutes, you know, and then once you're in the building, you know, you gotta find out where you gotta go, what suite it is, what room it's in, you know, you got security, they're gonna give you a map, so you go here, 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 up and down, everywhere, and then you gotta find that place, that's gonna be another 10 minutes, and then you can sign in, but you know, there's a line, then you gotta wait, and so.
yeah. It's a process. Being a struggling actress it's crazy, y'all. It's crazy. It's a lot of ups and downs, but it's worth the ride, you know. If you make it worth it, you know, it's all up to you. But it's definitely a love-hate job for sure. But you know, it's like any job. It's like any job. Whew. Alright, y'all. Let me wipe my face. Woo. Tell me where you guys work. Leave a comment below. I want to know. What do you guys do for a living? I love water. I used to like actually not really like drinking water when I was growing up. Like I always loved to drink juice. Ooh, juice was like, that was it for me. But then growing up, you know, becoming an adult, you start to love water. Just tastes better. Like soda, I don't even drink soda like that much anymore. You know, only like when I'm drinking like as a chaser. But like if I had to choose soda or water, water all the way. For sure. Hydrate. Alright, I think that's about all the scraps I can pick up. Alright, a little bit more cucumber. That's good. That's good. That was really good, y'all. That was really good. I'm surprised that like I ate all of that. But I really did work up an appetite today, so it was well deserved. I would give the Samyang Black Bean Noodles a yay! Very, very good. I would actually recommend this. Very good. And like I said earlier in the video, it was like I feel like I really like the spice level on this one because you can definitely feel it. It's there, but it's just not so intense and like overwhelming. You know, like it actually complements the noodles. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, and I like that it stayed very consistent as well too. It didn't get hotter and hotter and hotter. You know, it was very good. It was very delicious. Noodles were the bomb too. I don't know if it's just me or like if they're thicker than the 2-time spice noodles. I don't know. Or if it's just, you know, working out. But yeah, they're heavy. And then like the packet, it had like, you know, the dried out vegetables. I honestly didn't really think those were needed. They didn't do anything for the noodles, for me at least. If I were to eat it again, I would probably just throw those away because they didn't really do anything for me. Yeah. But yes, ooh, I would recommend eating them with some over easy eggs though, y'all. That yolk in that sauce and noodles is the bomb. And then, you know, if you want a little crunch, something to fresh up your palate, then get some Persian cucumbers. But overall, this was a very successful and delicious meal. So I am so happy and full and lazy now. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for enjoying this lovely meal with me. If y'all haven't already, subscribe to your girl below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.